Sunsets are the summary of the present day and the promise of a new tomorrow. They are the start of romantic nights and the end of bright days. Sunsets are moments of golden beauty that display the magnificence of the sun. They are living prayers of gratitude for the light provided and the life that comes with it. Today, we are traveling to New Mexico to do yoga by the water under a golden sky. We will give thanks for a good day and for the ones that are not here yet. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. From Caballo Lake in New Mexico to you. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs crossed, shoulders relaxed, and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We open up our sunset session with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, rise up, palms together and passing through your heart. Bring the hands down to your mat, extending your arms in front of you as you move your head gently side to side. Slowly bring your body to 4 points, aligning your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Passing through cat and cow, inhale, chin up. Exhale, bring your chin down. Inhale, chin up and cow. Exhale, chin down and cat. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. With a neutral back, extend your right leg back, engage your toes, and press the heel down to the ground as you slightly bend your elbows down. Looking at the top of your mat with your shoulders relaxed. Come back to center and switch legs. Extending the left leg back, engage your toes, press the heel down towards the ground as you slightly bend your elbows. Slowly bring the left knee back to the mat as you extend the right leg back and let it float. Once balanced, extend the left arm forward. Inhale, elbow to knee under the navel. Exhale, extend. Inhale, elbow to knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, elbow to knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, elbow to knee. Exhale, extend. Bending the back leg, reach for the top of your foot as you bring the chin higher. Slowly let go and bring the knee and the hand back to the mat. Flow your hips around in circles in one direction, and don't forget to move in the opposite direction. Come back to center. Extend the left leg back, and then reach forward with your right arm. Inhale, elbow to knee under the navel. Exhale, extend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, elbow to knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, elbow to knee. Exhale, extend. Bending the back leg, reach for the top of your foot. Bring the foot higher with the chin pointing up to the sun. Slowly let go of your foot and bring your hand and the knee back to the mat. Inhale, chin up and cow. Exhale, chin down and cat. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down, rounding up your back and cat. Inhale, exhale, neutral back. Step forward with your left foot and turn your body sideways. Find a full extension of the left leg and walk your hands towards your toes. Bring the forehead closer to your left knee. Shoulders and neck relaxed. Slowly walk your hands to your right side and keep the right hand grounded as the left arm reaches over the left ear. Make yourself long. Inhale, exhale, windmill to your left. Inhale, windmill to your right. Exhale, windmill to your left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to your right. Exhale, extend. Floating the left leg, reach for the top of your foot. Bring the foot closer to your glutes as the gaze goes up to the sky. Open up your chest, elongate the neck. Let go of the top of the foot and bring the hand and the foot back to the ground. Switch legs, extending your right leg out to the side. Begin to walk the hands over towards your toes as the forehead reaches down to your knee. Finding a full extension of the right leg. Begin to walk the hands to the opposite side as the left hand stays grounded and your right arm reaches over the ear. Inhale, exhale, windmill to your right. Inhale, windmill to your left. Exhale, windmill to your right. Nice and slow. Find your pace as you inhale and exhale. Inhale to your left. Stay here. Fly the right leg. Reach for the top of your foot. Bring the foot closer to the glutes. Open up your chest and look up to the sky. Maintain the chin high. Slowly let go of the top of the foot and bring the foot and the hand back to the mat. Slowly turn to the front of your mat, open up the knees as wide as you can and rest your glutes on top of your heels. Fully extend your arms forward and rest the forehead down on the ground in child's pose. Walk your hands over to the right corner of your mat and then walk it over to the left corner of your mat. Bring it back to center. Interlace your fingers behind the lower back and extend your arms up to the sky. Point your index fingers to the sky as a gesture of power, strength, and courage. Slowly bring the hands back to the mat, extending your arms forward. Bring your chin to chest and slowly find a seated position, extending your legs forward in Dandasana. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Soft shoulders, soft neck. Bringing the forehead as close to your knees as you can. Bring your chin to chest, round up your back, and slowly begin to lay down on the ground. Giving yourself a long, tall stretch, hands overhead. Drawing both knees onto your chest, sway your legs side to massage the lower back. Extend the left leg out and reach for the edge of the right foot, coming into half happy baby. With the left hand, hold on to your right foot and cross the right leg over to your left. Slowly come back to center. And now reaching for the left foot, coming into half happy baby on the left. Cross your left leg over to your right side, holding on with your right hand. Slowly come back to center. Give yourself another long, tall stretch. Hands overhead. Before we find a comfortable position, finding our final pose, Shavasana. In this space, we tap into a golden place, abundant in peace, love, and gratitude. We feel satisfied with the day we leave behind and the actions we did today. Looking forward to a time of rest so we can wake up and do it all over again. Slowly bring your awareness back into your body, opening and closing your hands, wiggling your toes. Bring the hands overhead and give yourself another long, tall stretch. Slowly cross your legs, reach for opposite foot with opposite hand. Rock back and forth, sit up, and meet me in Sukhasana, easy pose. Legs crossed, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We inhale, we bring the palms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up, bringing all the beauty of the sunset down into your heart space. Bow your head. May golden beauty seal your days and wake up the promise of abundant ways. From a heart in Caballo Lake, New Mexico, to you. Namaste. Join me in my next yoga adventure at a new place and with a new flow. Share your love with me and like and subscribe to support this channel. See you next Sunday. Bye.